Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss about the rank of the word. In the word, the letters are not repeated. That we are going to discuss now. Before going to discuss the rank of the word, first we will take 3-letter word. Next 4-letter word. After that 5-letter word. One by one we will discuss. After that the big words like master, remast. These type of words ranks we are going to calculate in this video. Listen carefully dear students, step by step clearly I am going to explain. So first I am taking the word wrong. For this word RAM, I am going to find out the rank of this word. First we have to write the given word. After that, write the alphabetical order for the given word. The alphabetical order for the word wrong is among the 3 letters here or AM. A will become first. A. After that, M will becomes in the alphabetical order like A, B, C, D and so on like this. You can do that. M, N, O, P, Q, R. Last R. This is the given word. We are arranging in the alphabetical order. This is alphabetical order. Given word, alphabetical order, dear students. The rank of the required letter word is wrong. In that, first letter is R. In the alphabetical order, the first letter will be in the last place. That means third one. So, the letters of the word which are begin with A letter, you have to write. The number of words which are begin with M letter, you have to write. After that, the word wrong will come. So, before that, the number of letters, the number of words begin with first A, begin with A. So the first place can be filled with A. Remaining how many places are there? 2 places. These 2 places can be filled with M and R in 2 factorial ways. Similarly, the number of words which are begin with M, this will be continuum on. So, if the word start with M, the remaining 2 letters are there which can be accommodated or which can be permutated in 2 factorial ways. The next letter is R. The next letter R here we have to fix it. Why? Because the required word is wrong in that first letter starting with R only. No? So R we have to fix it. Next I want the number of words which are begin with RA I want to write it. So after R again you can come to the front. So RA is already there in the word. So RA also you can fix it. Observe carefully. After R we can fix it. No. After that again we want the letters, the number of words which are begin with RA. RA is also there in this given word Aram. So that is the reason RA also you can fix it. What is the required word? RAM only. No? So RA, after that you can write M. So the required word RAM will become next word. So RAM here all the 3 letters will be permutated. So no one is there. So that is the reason 0 factorial we are writing. After that you can add all that. Therefore, the rank of the word, the rank of the given word Ram is 2 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 0 factorial. 2 factorial means 2, 2 factorial means 2 plus 0 factorial means 1, which is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 1, that is equal to 5. So the rank of the word Ram equal to 5. So the same question, dear students, we will discuss in the shortcut formula. 1 minute. Yeah. The same word RAM, which will be discussed in the shortcut formula here. Shortcut method. In that, observe carefully. First, you have to write the given word RAM. This is the given word Ram. Next, you write that alphabetical order of the given word. So, A, M, R. This is the alphabetical order. Now, observe carefully, dear students. So, here, first we have to cancel that letter R in the given word and cancel the R in the alphabetical order. After doing of this procedure, in the alphabetical order, after cancellation R, before how many letters are there? 2 letters are there. So 2 you can write it here and keep bracket. In this bracket, what we have to write is, after cancellating R in the given word, how many letters we have? 2 letters are there. For that you can take factorial. So 2 factorial. I hope you will understand. So once again I repeat. First you write given word. After that, write that alphabetical order of the word. In the given word starting with R, no? So R you have to cancel it. In the same way, the R which is in the alphabetical order, you have to cancel it. In the alphabetical order, before R, how many letters are there? That you have to write it here. And in the given word, after cancellating of R, how many letters are there left? How many are there? 2 are there. So that we can write as factorial. Now come to letter A. If we cancel, here also if we cancel, before A how many letters are there? No letters are there. No, not this one. Before that, 0 into how many are left here? 1 factorial. Plus, after cancelling M, no elements are there here. So 0 into 0 factorial, which is equal to 2 into 2 plus 0 into anything is 0, even 0 into anything is 0. In the shortcut method, after completing of this procedure, plus 1 you have to write it. So it will becomes 5. So the rank of given word Ram is 5 by using steps. In the shortcut formula also 5. We will take next 4 letter word. John, we will take it. The next word is John. Find the rank of the word John. First you have to arrange in the alphabetical order. So here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. This is alphabetical order of the given word John. So the number of words which are begin with. So in the given word John, the first letter is J. So in the alphabetical order, the second letter is J. So the number of words which are begin with H, first you have to write it. After that, the number of words which are begin with J, we will write it. So the number of words which are begin with H, So H here we are fixing, the rest of the 3 letters will be there. These 3 places can be filled with J and O in 3 factorial ways. 3 places are there, 3 letters are there. It will be arranged in 3 factorial ways. Next, the number of words which are begin with J. J is already there in the given word. So till you have to write the number of words which are begin with JO. Don't go like this, ma. Always you can go to forward. That means before term only can. Don't go after J. Don't go J and JO. JH can come here. Why? Because alphabetical order we are going. So the number of words which are begin with J, you can fix it. Next, the number of words with JH, after that JN, after that JO. So the number of words which are begin with JH. So the rest of the 2 letters it can be arranged in 2 factorial ways. Next, the number of words which are begin with JN. So here also after JN remaining 2 letters are there, it can be arranged in 2 factorial ways. Next, the number of words which are begin with JO. So whenever the number of words which are begin with JO, you can fix it. Why we are fixing, sir? JO is already is there in the given word. So that is the reason. Next, till you have to write JOH term. So after JO, whenever we are fixing the words, number of words which are begin with JO, next JO after that you can go to first. So JOH is also there. So that also you can fix it. After JOH, what are the left element, left letter N? So that is the required letter only. No? So JOHN, it was fixed. This is the required word. So the rank of the JOHN, it can be done in 4 ways. It can be done in all the letters JOHN. So there is no place here. So 0 factorial, it can be done in 0 factorial. Previously also or AM we got it now. So there is no element here pending. So 0 factorial. Here also JOHN we got it. So 0 factorial. Therefore, the rank of the word, the given word is, given word John is 3 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 0 factorial. So 3 factorial means 6, 2 factorial means 2, again 2 factorial 2, 0 factorial means 1. So 6 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11. So will you get same answer in the shortcut formula? That we will discuss. So John, J-O-H-N, the alphabetical order for the John is H-J-N-O. H-J-N-O. After that, here the first letter is J. J get cancelled. Before J in the alphabetical order, how many letters are there? Before, how many letters are there? 1 is there. So, 1 into, in the given word, after cancelling J value, how many are there? 3 are there. So, 3 factorial. Plus, next letter is O. We can cancel O in both. In the alphabetical order, how many are there? 2. So, 2 into, keep bracket. How many after cancellating in the O in the given word? 2 are there. So, 2 factorial. Plus, next H is there. You can cancel it. In the alphabetical order, H before, no element is there. So, 0. Here, 1 element is there. 1 factorial. Plus, N also get cancelled. No element is there. 0 into 0 factorial. So, which is equal to 1 into 3 factorial is 6. 2 into 2 factorial is 2. 2 2s are 4. Plus 0 plus 0. So, which is equal to 10. In shortcut formula, I said already, plus 1 you have to write it. So, to get the required answer. So, the answer is 11. 11 is coincident with this rank. I hope 4-letter word rank, this is the way you can calculate, dear students. Next, 5-letter word I am going to consider by taking another word The next word is Rahim, third word. The given word is Rahim. After that, we have to write in the alphabetical order. So, A first it will come now, alphabetical order. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. After that, R will come. So, M, R. After writing alphabetical order, in the given word, R is the first letter. So, R will be there in the alphabetical order in the last. So, the number of words which are begin with A, the number of words which are begin with H, the number of words which are begin with I, the number of words which are begin with M, you have to write it. These 4 steps first you have to complete it. The number of words which are begin with A. So after whenever the word which are begin with A, what are the rest of the terms? 4 letters there. So it can be done in 4 factorial ways. Next, the number of words which are begin with H, 4 factorial. The number of words which are begin with I, 4 factorial. The number of words which are begin with M, 4 factorial. We can stop it now. Now, the number of words which are begin with R, Rahim is also begin with R only, no? So that is the reason you can fix it R here. The number of words which are begin with R. So R we are fixing. Next, the number of words which are begin with, after that again we can come to the front. Again we can come to forward. So RA, the number of words begin with RA. RA you can fix it. RA is also there in the given word. Next what we have to do? RAH. The number of words which are begin with RAH. Even RAH is also there in the. So the number of words which are begin with RAHI. Next. The number of words which are begin with RAHI. Even RAHI is also there. So what is the rest of the question? Rest of the term? M. So RAHIM is the required word only, no? So required word means directly you can write as RAHIM. So all the letters will be filled. So there is no place here. So Rahim, we got it. It can be done in 0 factorial ways. So the rank of the given word Rahim is equal to 4 factorial plus 4 factorial plus 4 factorial plus 4 factorial plus 0 factorial. So 4 factorial means 24 plus 24 plus 24 plus 24 plus 1. So 24 in 4 into 24 plus 0 factorial means 1. So 96 plus 1, 97. So the rank of the word Rahim is 97. Now come to shortcut formula. The Rahim word you write in the alphabetical order A, H, I, M, R. In the shortcut formula, R get cancelled. In the alphabetical order, before R, how many letters are there? 4. In the given word, after cancelling the R, how many letters are there? 4. That can be written as factorial terms. Plus. Next, A get cancelled. Before that, no element is there. 0. Don't consider this. Only before whatever the elements are there, that only will consider. Here, 3 factorial. Plus. H cancelled. Before that, no element is there. No letter is there. 0 into 2 factorial. Plus I get cancelled, no element is no letter is there, 0 into 1 factorial plus get cancelled, 0 into 0 factorial. So 4 into 4 factorial, 24 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. So 96. After in the shortcut formula, especially dear students, we have to add plus 1 to get the rank of the given word. Why we are adding 1 means the last word, the required word, whatever it is there, to 0 factorial. That's what it is coming here. In every case, dear student, I hope everyone understand the concept of rank, the rank of the word. Now we will enter into the intermediate second year. The rank of the words are there. Master, remasked, like these words are there. We will discuss now. next word is given word master. For this word, we are going to calculate the rank. This is the given word. Alphabetical order we are writing. Alphabetical order. So first A will come. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, M is there. O, P, Q, R, S, P. This is the alphabetical order for the given word master. In the given word, the first letter is M. So in the alphabetical order, the given word first letter will be in the third place. So the number of words which are begin with A, the number of words which are begin with E, first we have to write it. The number of words, begin with A. So A, if you fix here, the remaining 5 places are there, E, M, R, S, T, which can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. Next, the number of words which are begin with E, 5 factorial ways. Next, the number of words which are begin with M. M is already there. Why? Because the given word master is also begin with M only. So next, till you have to get MA, the number of words which are begin with MA. So after M, again you can come to the forward. You cannot go next term. MA, the word which are begin with MA, MA is also there. So the number MA you can fix it. So the number of words which are begin with MA, MA is also already there in the given word master. So we can fix it here. Next, till you have to write MAS. The number of words which are begin with MAS, you can write it. So MA, after that E, the number of words which are begin with MAE. So the remaining MAE, remaining 3 letters can be done in 3 factorial ways. Next, the number of words which are begin with MAR. Till you have read MAS now. So 3 factorial. Next, MAS. MAS is already there in the given word. So you can write as MAS, you can fix it. So after MAR, next MAS. So the number of words which are begin with MAS. MAS term is already there in the given word. So you can fix it the value MAS, the terminology MAS. After that, what you have to do? Till you have to write MAST. So the number of words which are begin with MAS, again you can come front. So MASE, the number of words which are begin with MASE. So remaining 2 can be arranged in 2 factorial. Next, the number of words which are begin with MASR will come. So this can be arranged in 2 factorial ways. The number of words which are begin with MASR. Next, the number of words which are begin with MAST. MAST is there now, so we can fix it MAST. You can fix it. Why? Because MAST is already there in the given word, but I want MASTE. So MASTE. MAST is also there. MASTE is also there in the given word. The next word is master. So you will get 0 factorial. So therefore, the rank of the word, the rank of the given word, master, is 5 factorial plus 5 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 0 factorial. So 2 times of 5 factorial, 2 times of 3 factorial, plus 2 times of 2 factorial, plus 0 factorial means 1. So 2 into 5 factorial is 120, 2 into 3 factorial is 6, 2 into 2 factorial is 2 plus 1. So 240 plus 12 plus 4 plus 1, 17 plus 240, 257. Now we will move to the shortcut formula for this shortcut method. Here only I will explain shortcut formula. Both the methods at a time we are learning in this. So master the given word, M-A-S-T-E-R. So the alphabetical order in the word for the word master is A-E-M-R-S-T. So in the given word master, M will be in the starting position. Here M is the ending position. So M you can cancel it. In the alphabetical order, before M how many letters are there? 2 letters are there. Keep in bracket. And how many after cancelling M letter in the given word? After that 5 are there. So 5 factorial you can write it. Similarly, A get cancelled. Before A, how many letters are there? No letters are there. 0. After that, 4 letters are there. 4 factorial. Plus S get cancelled. Before S, how many elements? How many letters are there? 2 letters are there. So 2 into. After S, here 3 letters are there. You can write as 3 factorial. Plus TT get cancelled. Before T 2 letters are there. 2 into. Here also 2 factorial. Next, E get cancelled. Before that, no element is there. 0 into here 0 1 factorial. Plus R get cancelled. No one is there. So 0 into 0 factorial. So 2 into 5 factorial 120. 0 into anything is 0. 2 into 3 factorial 2 into 6. 2 into 2 factorial is 2. So 240 plus 12 plus 4. So 256. In the shortcut formula, you can add 1, so it will become 257. So the rank of the word given word master is 257. I will explain another word, remasked. Remasked. Just we will change it. The other word is remasked. The next word is remasked. Though arranged in the alphabetical order, it will become A-E-M-R-S-T. In the given word, R is in the first place. In the alphabetical order, it is in the 4th place. So, the number of words which are begin with A, the number of words which are begin with E, the number of words which are begin with M, first you have to write it. After that, R will be fixed. So, first 3 steps. The number of words which are begin with A. So the remaining 5 places can be fixed with 5 factorial ways, arranged in 5 factorial. Next, the number of words which are begin with E, it can be done in 5 factorial ways. The number of words which are begin with M, 5 factorial. So except M, remaining 5 places, 5 letters are there, it can be done in 5 factorial ways. Next, the number of words which are begin with R. R is already there in the given word remasked, so you can fix it till the terms RE you can write it. So the number of after getting R, again you can come forward, and the number of words which are begin with A, RA. So RA. So the remaining 4 places can be filled with 4 factorial. Next, the number of words which are begin with after A, what will be there? E. So RE. RE is also there in the given word, you can fix it. So after that, till you have write REM, RE fixed. So REA again you can from here to here again move forward. The number of words which are begin with REA. So the remaining 3 places can be done in 3 factorial. Next, REAM. REA is there. Next, REAM we can write it. The number of words which are begin with REAM. So REAM fixed now. REAM. So the remaining 2 factorial we can write it. REA is okay. REA. So remaining 3 factorial. Next REM, not EM here. This is not one. REM. REM is there already. That REM is already there. So what we have to do? REM is already there means we can fix it. REMA. REMA is also there in this. REMA, yes. Next word is remasked only. REMAS. REMAS is also there. So remaining is remasked. It can be done in 0 factorial ways. So therefore the rank of the given word is remasked. Word remasked is 5 factorial plus 5 factorial plus 5 factorial plus 4 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 0 factorial. So 3 times of 5 factorial plus 4 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 1. 3 into 120 plus 24 plus 6 plus 1. So 360 plus 31. So 391. Once again I'll repeat here some avoid the confusion. First the letter, the word which are begin with A 5 factorial, letter, the number of words which are begin with E 5 factorial, the number of words which are begin with M 5 factorial. After that R is already there in the given word. So the number of words which are begin with R, you can fix it R. Next RA, again you can come forward, you cannot move next step. So RA only. Why? Because we are following alphabetical order. So RA, the number of words which are begin with RA, the remaining 4 letters can be done in 4 factorial ways. Can be arranged in. Next after RA, RE. RE is also there in the given word. So RE we can fix it. Next the number of words which are begin with REA. So REA. Why we are coming forward is in the alphabetical order we can move forward only, not next step. So the number of words that begin with REA is in 3 factorial ways. Next the number of words which are begin with REM. REM is also there in the given word. So the next till we have to write REMA. So REM is already over, no? So REMA. REM is also there in the given word. Next REMAS. REMAS is also there. So the next word is remasked. It can be done in 0 factorial ways. So the rank of the given word is 391. This is the way. Now we will discuss shortcut formula. The given word is remasked and arranging in the alphabetical order is AEM or ST. So or we can cancel it. In the alphabetical order, before how many are there? 3 are there. So 3 into, in the given word, how many are there after cancelling? Or 5 letters are there. So that can be done as 5 factorial s. And plus E get cancelled. Before E, how many letters we have? Only 1 letter we have. Into, here E after cancelling 4 letters are there. It can be done in 4 factorial s. Plus M get cancelled. Before M, 1A is there. So 1 into, after the 3 values are there, no 3 letters are there. It can be done in 3 factorial. Plus A get cancelled. Before A, no element is there, no letter is there. 0 into remaining 2 factorial. Plus S get cancelled. No element is there. 0 into 1 factorial. Plus TT get cancelled. 0 into 0 factorial. So 3 into 5 factorial is 120. Plus 1 into 44 factorial is 24. 3 factorial is 6. And 0, 0, 0. So 360 plus 30, which is equal to 390. In the shortcut formula, we have to add 1. So 391. So we got the rank of the given word remasked is 391. In the next word, we are taking as Cypron and Prison. Both the letters, words, we are going to calculate the ranks. So the next word is prison. The next word is prison. Complete word prison. First you have to write in the alphabetical order. First I will come here. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. That's all. This is the alphabetical order for the given word prison. In the given word, P is in the first place, in the alphabetical order, fourth place. So the number of words which are begin with I and O, you have to write it. First, the number of words which are begin with I. So the remaining 5 places can be done in arranged in 5 factorial ways. That means the number of words which are begin with I, 5 factorial words we are writing. Similarly, the number of words which are begin with N, 5 factorial. The number of words which are begin with O, 5 factorial. So next, P. The number of words which are begin with P, you can fix it here, P value. Why? Because P is there in the given word. Till you have to write PR. So the number of words which are begin with P, wherever fix means again from fix, again you move forward and write the number of words which begin with PI, PN, PO till PR. So PI, the number of words which are begin with PI. So the remaining 4 places can be filled with 4 factorial ways. That many numbers will come. Next, the number of words which are begin with PN, 4 factorial. The number of words which are begin with PO, it can be done in 4 factorial. Sorry. Next, the number of words which are begin with PR. PR is there no already given word. So you can fix it. PR we can fix. Again from R you can move forward. PRI, even PRI is also there. You can fix it. PRIN, next letter, PRIN. So the remaining 3 can be filled with the 3 places, 3 words, 3 letters. It can be done in 3 factorial. PRIN is over now, so PRIO next. PRIO. It can be also done in 3 factorial ways. Next, PRIO. PRIO is next. PRIS. PRIS is there already in the given word. Please, PRIS is there. Next, till you have write PRISO. So, PRIS is there. No? So, again, we can move forward. PRISN. PRIS, PRISN. So it can be done in 1 factorial. Next, PRIS is over, no? SO. PRISO is there. So PRISO is already there in this. The next word is prison only, no? So it can be done in 0 factorial. No other words will come. So the rank of the given word prison is, so 5 factorial plus 5 factorial plus 5 factorial. Four factorial plus 4 factorial plus 4 factorial. Next, plus 3 factorial plus 3 factorial. Plus 1 factorial plus 0 factorial. So 3 into 5 factorial plus 3 into 4 factorial plus 2 into 3 factorial plus 1 factorial plus 0 factorial. So 3 into 5 factorial means 120 plus 3 into 24 factorial means 24. 2 into 6 3 factorial means 1 plus 1. So 360 plus 72 plus 12 plus 2. So it will be 6, 12 plus 1 plus 1, no? So 4, 30, this is 360, 24 3s are 72, 6 2s are 6 into 2, 12 plus 1 plus 1. So So here not 3 factorial, it is 2 factorial. PRIN is there now, so only 2 factorial. Sorry, here only 2 letters are there, not 3 letters. Sorry. So here 2 factorial, 2 factorial. Here also 2 factorial, 2 factorial. So that's why here 2, 4 plus 1 plus 1, 6. 4 plus 2. So 4 plus 2 plus 2, 8. So 438. So this is the way. 438 the rank. So by using shortcut formula also we will do it. PRISYN INOPRS. So PP get cancelled. Here 3 are there now. 3 into 5 factorial. Plus R get cancelled. Before the 3 is there. So remaining 4 factorial. So I get cancelled. No element is there. 0 into 3 factorial. Plus S get cancelled. Remaining 2 is there. 2 into 2 factorial. Plus O get cancelled, remaining is 1 into 1 factorial, plus N get cancelled, 0 into 0 factorial. So 3 into 5 factorial means 120, plus 3 into 24, plus 0, plus 2 into 2, plus 1 into 1 factorial is 1. So 360, plus 72, plus 4, plus 1. So 360 plus 77. So 7, 437. In the rank what you have to do? 1 you can add it. So 438. So the rank of the given word prison is 438. Here dear students, after arranging these 4 letters, here we have only 2. I forgot to write here 3. So 2 factorial only. 2 factorial. We will move to the next question and last question, Cypron. The next word is, given word Cypron, alphabetical order we have to arrange, after that find the rank like previous prison. So given word is Cypron, you have to arrange in the alphabetical order. Again it will becomes INOPRS. Why? Because the same letters are there in the word. Next, in the given word yes is there in the first, here it is lost. So the number of words which are begin with I, which are begin with N, which are begin with O, which are begin with P, like this, which are begin with R. Like this we write it. So the number of words which are begin with I, so the remaining 5 places are there. The 5 letters can be arranged in 5 factorial. The number of words which are begin with N, it can be done in 5 factorial ways. The number of words which are begin with O, 5 factorial. The number of words which are begin with P, 5 factorial. The number of words which are begin with R, 5 factorial. Next, the number of words which are begin with S. S already there, no? The given word Cypron is start with S. So you can fix it, S value. Next, till you have to write SI. SI is also there, it was fixed. So, the number of words which are begin with SI is fixed. Why? Because already in the Cypron word SI, it will start with SI only. Next, till you have to write SIP. So the number of words which are begin with SIN. So SIN means the remaining 3 letters can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. Next, the number of words which are begin with SIO. It can be arranged in 3 factorial. Next, the number of words which are begin with SIP. SIP is already there, so you can fix it this SIP. Next, till you have to write SIPR. So SIP fixed. Again from P you can come back. So move forward. SIPN. So SIPN. So the remaining 2 places can be arranged in 2 factorial ways. SIPO. SIPO. The remaining 2 letters can be arranged in 2 factorial ways. Next, SIPOR. Sorry. SIPOR. SIPR is already there, no? So SIPR is already there in the given word Cipron. So you can fix it SIPR. SIPR you can fix. Again from R you can come back. SIPRN. So the word which are begin with SIPRN, the remaining is only one letter is there. So it can be done in one factorial ways. SIPRN O. So SIPRO. SIPRO is also there. SIPRO is already there. Cipro. The next word, whenever it is there, we can fix it here. So the next only N is remaining, no? So the number of words which are begin with Cipron, there is no letter in this, so 0 factorial ways we can arrange. So the rank of the word Cipron is, so 5 factorial, how many are there? 5 into 5 factorial plus 3 factorial 2 is there, 2 into 3 factorial plus 2 into 2 factorial plus 1 factorial plus 0 factorial. So 5 into 5 factorial means what? Here I will write it because of space convenience. 5 into 120 plus 2 into 6 plus 2 into 2 plus 1 plus 1. So 12 5 is 600 plus 12 plus 4 plus 2, 18. So 618. So the rank of the word Cipron is 618. 618. We'll do in the shortcut also. Cipron, the given word, and arrange in the alphabetical order INO P or S. So here S you can cancel it. Here 4 are there. 4 into the remaining 5 is there, 5 factorial. So here also 5 is there, sorry. 5 into 5 factorial. Next I get cancelled. Before that no one is there. 0 into 4 factorial plus PP get cancelled. Before that 2 are there. 2 into 3 factorial plus R get cancelled. Before that 2 is there. 2 into 2 factorial plus O get cancelled. Before that 1 into 1 factorial. N get cancelled. 0 into 0 factorial. So 5 into 5 factorial is 120. 0 plus 3 factorial is 6. 6 into 2 12. 2 into 2 factorial is 4 plus 1 plus 0. So 600 plus 12 plus 5. So 617. In the rank, in the shortcut formula we can add 1. So 618. Why we are adding this one? That also I have given clarity. The last word Cipron only will come, no? The given word only will come last. That will be done in 0 factorial place. 0 factorial means 1. That word is also occupies 1 place. So 0 factorial. 617 plus 1, 618. So this is the way you can calculate rank of the given word. Thank you dear students for watching our channel Maths with Panindra. Any doubts are there regarding this, you can write to my comment box. I will help you. In the coming videos also, in theory of equations like this, I will do it. 7 marks questions in the public examination. Most of the students, AP students, they are asking, they are requesting about rank of the words and J means or MSET the permutation combinations. That also I will discuss one video. Thank you all. Signing off. Maths with Panindra. Jai Hind.
Dear students and parents, this is my YouTube channel Maths with Panindra. In this channel, in intermediate Telangana and Andhra related mathematics intermediate 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B and MSET and JA mains related topics are there in my channel. You can do subscribe and share to your friends and relatives. Thank you all. పేరెంట్స్కి స్టూడెంట్స్కి నేను చేసే విన్నపం ఏమిటంటే నా యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ పేరు మ్యాథ్స్ విత్ పనీంద్ర. ఇందులో ఇంటర్మీడియట్ సంబంధించి మ్యాథ్స్ ఏ, మ్యాథ్స్ బి, మ్యాథ్స్ 2A, మ్యాథ్స్ 2B, ఇంటర్ ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ సెకండ్ ఇయర్ సంబంధించి ఎంసెట్ జేఈ మెయిన్ సంబంధించినటువంటి వీడియోలు ఉన్నాయి. వీక్షించి మీరు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసి షేర్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్.